Hey there and welcome to another BlogHandy tutorial. Today we're talking about how to connect ukit with BlogHandy in order to add a beautiful looking and SEO optimized blog to your existing ukit website. My name is Uwe, I'm the founder of BlogHandy, an easy and simple way to connect any website builder page or landing page with a blog. So let's jump right into it. Here we have the ukit website. It's a website builder used by a lot of different businesses. You can see they have over 350 designs already ready-made for you. It's a very beautiful looking website builder once you get into it. So let's get right into the dashboard. In order to add BlogHandy, you need a pro subscription, which I've got, and I've already created a website, a sample website with the help, and let's edit that one for now. All right, it's loading. You see here all the different options, buttons and whatnot, widgets to add. And this is my travel website, and I just go here and I'm not going to create a new page. I'm just going to add the blog here on the home page for now. So let's say we want a headline. How can we add a headline here? Text. And we just say blog. We make that heading 1. And then underneath that, we want to add our HTML code. So in the widget section, you just have to go to the bottom under content and then HTML code. You just drag and drop it here. And there you got it. Now you click on it and this HTML editor opens. You just now have to go to BlogHandy to the getting started dashboard, and under code snippet, just copy the first code and paste it here. Now go back to BlogHandy, take the second code, copy it and paste it here. Click on save. And that's it. Let's just make some space here. All right. And we can preview. Let me put the bubble here in the other corner. Where's the preview button? Here we have it. It takes a moment to load the preview. And let's see, so this is our homepage and here's our blog loading the beautiful cover blog layout. Okay, let's go back and we publish it here. Yeah, there's a publish button. Because we have one more step to do, which is once the website is published, we have to take the URL of the blog page. So let's view it here. This is the published. It has not been published yet. Okay, let's refresh. All right, it's been published. We have to take that URL, or this might be your custom URL, and we have to go to BlogHandy, go to settings, general, and under the blog URL, we have to paste this URL, click on save. Now it's completely finished and linked. We refresh the page. You see it's loading. We click on a blog post. It's loading. You can click on back to blog. Everything is loading perfectly fine. And if you go to BlogHandy, you go to settings, to layout and design, you can choose any of our layouts. We keep on adding new layouts here. For example, you can go for the lines layout, and it is as simple as that. I just switch this and that's it. Now I refresh the page and you can see another blog layout is being loaded, and it automatically takes over the font and design of the existing website. Let's go for the pop grid, my favorite layout. Refresh it, and that's it. It's as simple as that. Please leave any comments below And if you've got any other website builder you're using, let me know about it and I'm happy to create a video for you. Thanks a lot and happy blogging.